Hey everybody, I'll squatch down. Hey, I thought I'd do a little recipe, and I thought I'd make peanut butter cookies. I love peanut butter; it's my favorite thing, and I thought y'all might enjoy some cookies. It's super simple. It's stuff that you have at home. Most people have this in their cabinets. That's why it's such a great little recipe, and it's easy to make. Okay? So basically, you're going to need a cup of sugar, which I put in this bowl, a cup of peanut butter, which I've got ready, and 1 egg. Okay? I always like to break my egg before I use it. Country eggs, you like to do that with. All right, cool. So I've got my 3 ingredients right here. I'm gonna put them in this bowl, and I got this bowl on purpose so that you could see what I'm doing, okay? There's my sugar. Here is my peanut butter. Get on in there. Put that in there, and my egg. Okay? So I've got my 3 ingredients in there, and I'm just gonna mix that up. It doesn't make a big batch of cookies, but it's a good little snack to have, especially late at night or whatever when you get hungry. It's just a great little snack to have around, and they're super easy to make and super quick. All right. Get that all mixed up here. All right, that's pretty mixed up good. It's just real thick. Okay. I have got my oven on. It's at 350 degrees, and I've preheated that. It's finishing up right now, but by the time I get it done, it'll be ready to go. Okay. There it is. Says it's ready to go. All right. So you can use a melon baller or whatever you like. I just have an old pan that I use for everything. You can, if you want to grease it, you can. I don't. There's a lot of oiled peanut butter. They shouldn't stick. They might. Who knows? I'm going to go with they're not, though. And I'm just going to take a little bit in my spoon and drop them on there. Like this, just a dab. And you can do this at home with your mom and dad. Like I said, it's super easy. It's 3 ingredients that most people have at home. Once I get them on here, I'm going to squish them. A little more on that one. I'm going to squish them with my fork to give that crisscross pattern that you see in most peanut butter cookies. All right. There you go. And one more. I got a little bit left. I could probably fill it up a little closer, but I like to make sure it has plenty of room to spread. I'm going to get my fork, and I'm just going to make that crisscross on it, just to give it that pattern. See the crisscross? I just put it one way and then the other. You're crisscrossing your fork, okay? And that just gives the cookie a little pattern to it. You could mash it down with your spoon if you didn't want to use the fork method. It's just kind of classic peanut butter cookies, what I love. All right. All right. I'm going to put these in the oven, and I need to cook them for 12 minutes. You need to kind of keep an eye on them. Some ovens are different, so I check in on them about 10 minutes. Those last 2 minutes, just keep a close eye on them. And I'll come back with the finished product